And then I'm thinking about going for hot windows. And I got mixed up. Mom, get ready to duck, okay?
Okay.
You need to duck.
Okay.
But I don't need to. Yeah, on this side, I think it's Starry Lake.
Really? Ben found a pink flower. Oh, Dave found some.
Ooh, that's soft.
Yeah.
Mom, feel it. It's so soft.
It's velvety, isn't it? What'd you find?
Dad,
Ben?
feel it. Dad, feel this.
Is it soft? They found some white flowers, and these ones, gross. I love them.
It's purple.
Yes.
Red-winged blackbirds, rainbow.
Oh, I saw a blue flower.
So what is it, Ben?
It's grass, but purple.
Yeah, it's seeded. What are you doing?
I picked the flower out.
Oh, you put it behind my ear.
Yeah, because I can't reach. Yeah, it's
What
like,
did Ben find? It's nature.
they're eating nature. Look over here. There's tons.
Disgusting. Oh my gosh, horrifying. Okay, let's go.
They're eating nature.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Look,
They all work
they're
together.
all over here. Look.
Yeah. Interesting. Your yellow. What'd you find? What is it?
Yellow leaf. And I am going to put it in your other ear.
Oh, I'm gonna have all sorts of trinkets.
This swamp is not the highest.
Oh, okay.
It's higher.
I want to use your glasses to hold it down.
Oh, good idea, Ben.
Oh, it's hard.
Okay, you want to put it in your ear? Behind your ear?